Hello everyone and welcome to Galaxy 89 Cars. So today I've got a very special video for you. It's my first ever competition video and I've got two amazing prizes to give away. I've come down to TKDetailing, who I've worked with before. If you've watched my content before, you'll know that they've done some amazing work on the bath I used to have. And I've teamed up especially with Ian from TKDetailing London to bring you these two amazing prizes. So Ian, we know if you work in the car industry or even if you just watch automotive YouTube videos online, that detailing has become a pretty big thing. Why is that?
Vehicles go to detailers because they go that little bit further. They go more in depth with each vehicle they work on. It gives for new vehicles, it gives them the best start they can have. And for cars that have been 2-3 years old, whatever it might be, they come to them and they leave in the best possible condition that they can leave in.
So I think what we need to do now is just get straight to the prizes. The first is a mini detail that can be worth over £150. You can have it done here at the TKDetailing unit, or Ian has said he would very kindly travel up to 100 miles from central London. So Ian, what takes place within the mini detail?
So the mini detail includes our safe wash and full decontamination of the vehicle, so that includes iron removal, clay bar. The vehicle's then fully dried, it's then blown dry with our Metro Vacs. The vehicle will receive a light machine polish and then it will be applied, will be a wax at the end of it. We're also including some of our bolt-ons which are added optional extras, which will be the wheels will be sealed with carbon collective, with their platinum wheels protection, and also the carbon collective platinum glass applied as well.
So as you can see, the first prize is pretty amazing, and all you have to do is 3 things to be within a chance of winning. The first is you have to make sure you're subscribed to this YouTube channel. The second thing is that you have to leave a comment in the comment section below talking about your car and why you think you deserve a detail. The third thing is that you have to travel over to the TKDetailing London Instagram page, which will be linked in the description, and make sure you follow their page as well. So the second prize is a high gloss show car wax that would normally retail at £185. To be in with a chance of winning, you need to follow the same 3 criteria as in the previous prize. But in the comments section, instead of talking about why you want your car to be detailed, just say wax. So in the rest of the video, Ian here is going to perform a mini detail on my car, so you can see exactly what you're going to get.
So remember, everything you see here will be done to your car if you're lucky enough to win. However, like Ian said, there are also extras like wheel sealing, soft top protection, that can be added to the mini detail that might not have been featured in this video. The wheels are holding quite a thick layer of dirt, as are the side skirts, bumper and rear section of the car in general. If you've seen any detailing videos before, or if you've used a detailer, you'll know the wheels are usually the first part of the car to receive attention. The first step is a quick but thorough jet wash. After this, the wheels and arches are sprayed with a specifically developed cleaning solution, and then jet washed off using a special hose attachment. After, Ian uses a second spray developed to remove iron, a harmful contaminant. If we look closer, we can actually see this clear spray turning red as it binds to the iron particles. This was left for a short amount of time before being jet washed off. Ian uses a wheel cleaning solution before utilising a toolkit of equipment to thoroughly clean the wheels. First, a small sponge is used to get into the small spaces, which is particularly useful for my wheels. Second, a small brush is used to manipulate stubborn dirt out of the split rim bolts and edges. After this, a tyre cleaning solution was sprayed onto the tyres, and after, they were worked over using a harder and larger brush. Ian then sprayed the inside of the wheels and used a soft cleaning device to reach as far back as possible. The bolts were then worked through using the small brush before the arches were given a final wipe. This cleaning sequence was carried out on all 4 wheels before they were jet washed off. After the wheels had been washed off, Ian turned his focus to the body, glass and roof. First, jet washing. Everyone's favourite part of car detailing was next, the snow foam stage. This was the first of 2 snow foam washes that take place in a TKDetailing mini detail. Before washing off the snow foam, Ian used a soft brush to disturb any contaminants in the harder to access areas, such as the rear intakes, the rubber window sills and the badge at the rear. The car was washed off before the second snow foam treatment was applied. This was left to sit while Ian prepared the 2 buckets and shampoo for the Mitt Cleaning stage. For this, a lamb's wool mitt and separate buckets, one for rinse and one for wash, were used to thoroughly work over the car. removing as much dirt as possible while limiting the amount that was brought over the car with the mitt. After working in this way from top to bottom, the car was then jet washed again before a quick clay bar treatment to remove any contaminants sitting deeper in the paintwork. For the next few sequences of this detail, we decided to move the car under the bright lights of the TKDetailing unit. Ian used a large microfiber towel to hand dry the car before using their high power air jet to remove any remaining water. While Ian was drying off the car, I took a quick look at the clay bar he used. I haven't had the car that long, and after all the cleaning stages so far, the clay was still able to remove that much dirt from the paintwork. Returning to the car, the last remaining parts were being dried off, including under the bonnet and door sills. This method reduces the amount of physical contact with the car and can blow any removing contaminants away. Ian then taped over any fragile or rubber parts to protect them before machine polishing the paintwork. The level and products used for this grade of machine polishing will all depend on your car's paint condition. Each job is tailored to the car and the customer's needs. As my car was already in quite good condition, it only required a light product and light machine polish. However, Ian was very thorough as always and covered each panel with the same care and attention. Now, I imagine you remember at the start of the video I mentioned the wax? I've partnered up with Mitt Cleaning, a company who specialise in producing high quality detailing products to give away number 2 of 2, limited edition Galaxy 89 Cars Fine Show Car Wax. This is designed to protect your car while at the same time give it a glossy shine, and we usually retail for around £180. As an added bonus, it also smells pretty good. Ian used a wax pad to apply the product to each panel. This was then left for a short amount of time before being buffed thoroughly with a microfiber towel. After all the wax had been buffed through, the detail was complete. Yes, the car is under very good lighting, but all the work done by Ian has resulted in paintwork and wheels that have gone through an outstanding transformation. And this is just a mini detail. The metallic nature of the paint has been brought out and the imperfections have been all but removed. If we look back to earlier in the day, we can see how good the side skirts look now, how dirty the rear bumper was and how clean, glossy and protected it is now. The wheels had lost their alloy shine but have now been restored. Now remember, as I said in the beginning, there are also extras that can be added on, such as soft top protection or alloy wheel protection. One lucky person can win this detail, and all you have to do is be a subscriber to the Galaxy 89 Cars YouTube channel. Leave a comment below outlining your car and why you want it to be detailed. And finally, follow the TKDetailing London Instagram page. All links will be in the description below. However, like I've already mentioned, there is also a second prize. Remember, if you want a chance of winning the wax, you have to follow the same steps as before, but just write wax in the comment section below. For all those who don't win, and probably those who do too, Mitchell & King have given you all a 15% discount code. Just head over to their website, which is linked below, and enter the code GALAXY. So that concludes my first ever competition video. Good luck for all of those who take part. Please subscribe for the latest content, and until next time, thanks for watching.